Deep in the sandy dunes of Tatooine lived a group of Tusken Raiders, unseen. With their ragged cloaks and glowing sticks, they roamed the desert, making no picks. One day, a young boy named Luke wandered, lost his way in the sun and was pondered. On the edge of a dune, he saw a sight. A Tusken Raider, tall and upright. But Luke was brave, he didn't show fear. "I mean you no harm," he said with cheer. The raider paused, then slowly nodded, and led the boy back to his abode. In their camp, Luke saw their ways, created friendships through the hazy days. He learned their language, shared his food, and proved that humans and sand people could be good. Back home, Luke shared his tale of the Tusken Raiders who weren't so frail. They were not enemies, but misunderstood. A lesson learned, his heart felt so good. He'd return to the dunes, to his dear friends, to share stories and adventures again and again. The Tusken Raiders and Luke grew so close in the far-off land of Tatooine that glows.